How to fix SEO issues causing low organic traffic to your ecom site. Follow the instructions. Optimize core web vitals for faster loading, better interactivity, and stable visual elements. Ensure your site is fully mobile-friendly and responsive across different devices. Fix scroll errors by resolving broken links, server issues, and 404 pages. Simplify site structure with clear categories, breadcrumb navigation, and a well-organized site map. Create unique, keyword-rich product titles and descriptions with optimized images. Use internal links to connect related products and improve site navigation. Focus on long-tail, conversational, and voice search-friendly keywords. Continuously monitor performance using analytics tools and AI-powered SEO platforms for ongoing improvements. Thank you for watching.